Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Today I share with you how to make this delicious, unique recipe that is super delicious and healthy. Guys, it's going to keep you full all day. So if you are interested, please keep watching. Alright guys, let's begin. For you to make this recipe, you need plantains, unripe plantain precisely. Yeah, just like you're watching on the screen. So you go ahead and peel it, okay? Take the back off. I like dividing it into two. That way I can peel it easily. But you are free to do it whichever way you prefer, okay? And be careful while at it so you don't injure yourself. We're at it already, so I'm going to show you guys how to peel it just with this one. So this is how you continue until you are through with them all, okay? As you can see, we're through with this one, so you do same with the rest, just like I said earlier. All right guys, moving on. Now transfer your plantains after you've washed them. Transfer on your baking tray. Make sure you spread out your parchment paper or foil paper before. If you noticed, we added some salt. Yeah, once you've done that, go on and rub it all over the plantains. Please feel free to increase your plantains if you have a large family, okay? Just note that small portion of it can get you full all day. So when I say large family, you know what I mean. All right, guys, now let's pop it into the oven and roast. While that is happening, let's move on. Now, in a clean pan, go in with your vegetable oil. Yes, a little amount of vegetable oil, okay? Now, go in with your minced beef. When I say, let's say 2 tablespoons of your oil, okay? And it also depends on the percentage of fat in your minced meat, okay? Like this one I'm using is just 5%. If you're using like 10 above, I don't think you even need oil or just a splash of it is fine. Now, checking back after frying for a minute, go in with some salt and some dry thyme. Afterwards, you stir and continue frying. Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. This channel teaches how to make easy, delicious cooking meals, baking, small chops in snacks, and even more. So if it sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscription button for me so that you become part of this amazing family. All right, guys, if you notice, we added some diced onions to it. And now we are going in with some diced peppers. Your scotch bonnet, yes. Now go in with some paprika powder, some seasoning. Guys, we started adding all of this after frying for extra 1 to 2 minutes, yeah. At that point where the beef turns kind of brown, yes. So now you stir everything to well combine and continue frying. Now we are checking back after frying for 1 minute extra. Guys, at this point it is ready. It looks good, guys, and it tastes super good. Look at that. Look at that. We are not done yet. So you take it off the heat and set it aside. Now moving on, guys. Checking back on our plantain. At this point it is well roasted. Look at it. It is well roasted, yeah. Now it is time to mold some cases. Yes, guys, like I told you, this recipe is special and same time unique. So guys, for us to mold our cases, we'll be making use of this lemon presser. Yeah. So you grab it and place your plantain on it and press it down just like you watched me do. I will repeat it again, okay? For better understanding, put your plantain and press it down gently, just this way. All right. Afterwards, you take the excess out. Guys, can you see that? It is pretty simple. Very simple. Now you gently remove it, okay? Gently remove it. Can you see that? Beautiful. Okay, this is the last one. I had to do other ones off camera to save time. So, this is the last one. Taking it out of there. gadgets, and there they are, looking beautiful, guys. Can you see that? Very ready. Now it is time to scoop our tasty beef into them, just like this, guys. Lovely. You're going to enjoy it. Just continue watching. We're not done yet. Let me seize this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all my newest and returning subscribers, the kings and the queens of this amazing, beautiful family. Now we are going in with some cheese, guys. Topping some mozzarella cheese on them. Okay, let's continue. Like I was saying, special appreciation to all my newest and returning subscribers. Guys, I am very grateful. I can't really thank you guys enough, honestly. Thank you for the likes, the shares, the comments. I am grateful. Please keep it up, okay? So guys, after the cheese, go around again with the beef. Just like you're watching me do. This is the last one. And guys, pop it into the oven and bake. Oh my word. This is looking good. Lovely. Now, parsley, go in with your dry parsley. Oh my, can you see that? Can you see this fresh baked goodness? Oh my. If you have not tried this recipe, please try it out. You will love it. And there you have it, guys. A delicious, mouth-watering, special, unique recipe made with some plantains, beef, and cheese. It is set, guys. Now it is time to plate it, okay? So you plate it with me, as always. Oh my, guys, I'm sure you are salivating. You are. Guys, you really need to give this recipe a go. It is pretty simple, just with few ingredients. And another thing is that it is very healthy. It will keep you full all day long and energized. So, what are you waiting for? Try it out and let me know how it turns out for you in the comments. Now it is testing time. Please come grab yours. Yes, it will go round. Come on, let's test it together. What I bring to you guys is premium nain. Oh my, guys. Oh my. Look at that. Now let's test it. As it is hot, I love testing it hot, you know. You already know. Guys, it tasted super good. Super good. You really have to give this recipe a go. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. If you found it interesting, please go ahead and like it, subscribe, and follow for more easy, tasty recipes. Until next time, bye-bye.